Air pollution is as much a problem inside as it is outside, because the worst pollution isn't seen but unseen. The air inside your home could be much worse without you even knowing it, leading to dust allergies, breathing issues and asthma that leaves kids especially vulnerable. Introducing the all-new Mi Smart Air Purifier 3 with a 22% improved performance, with the true HEPA filter that eliminates 99.97% of pollutants in the air. A 3-layer composite filtration lined with activated carbon effectively removes pollutants, PM 2.5, odor and harmful bacteria. Precise laser particle sensor detects air quality and sets up automatically. Simply touch to switch between modes. Works with voice assistant and easily connects with the Mi Home app that monitors the air quality in your home, whenever, wherever. The new Mi Air Purifier 3, improved air quality, improved life.